Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to demystify Adobe Photoshop and show you how to get started using this powerful tool, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you want to enhance your photos or create stunning graphics, Photoshop has you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Getting started. To begin, open up Photoshop. If you don't have it installed, you can get a free trial from Adobe's website. Once it's open, you'll see the main workspace with various tools and panels. Step 2. Understanding the workspace. The Photoshop workspace might seem overwhelming at first, but it's actually quite organized. You have the toolbar on the left with all your tools, and on the right, you have panels like layers, properties, and more. Don't worry, you don't need to master everything right away. Step 3. Opening an image. Let's start by opening an image. Go to File, Open, and select the image you want to work on. It will open in a new tab within the workspace. Step 4. Basic editing. Now that you have your image open, you can start with some basic edits. Use the Crop tool to trim your image, and the Adjustments panel to tweak things like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Step 5. Layers. Layers are a fundamental concept in Photoshop. They allow you to work on different elements separately. When you make changes, they won't affect the original image. You can add a new layer by clicking the New Layer button in the Layers panel. Step 6. Brushes and selection tools. Photoshop offers a variety of brushes for painting and editing. You can also use selection tools like the Marquee and Lasso tools to isolate parts of your image for editing. Step 7. Adding text. Adding text is easy. Select the Type tool, click on your image, and start typing. You can then customize the font, size, color, and more using the options in the top toolbar. Step 8. Undo in history. Don't worry about making mistakes, we all do. You can use the Undo button or press Ctrl+C+Z to reverse your last action. And if you need to go back further, check the History panel. Step 9. Save and export. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to save your work. Go to File, Save As, to save your project in Photoshop format. If you want to share your image online, use File, Export, Export As, to save it in a web-friendly format. Step 10. Practice and explore. Remember, Photoshop is a deep and versatile tool. The more you practice and explore its features, the better you'll become. Don't hesitate to watch tutorials, read guides, and experiment on your own. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Photoshop. We've covered the basics to help you get started on your creative journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content.